Yay! The show is starting.
This is how I write a lot.
Is it over? Oh,
No.
Watch the book, Malcolm. You can't throw it into your face. You can't even.
No, sometimes some people hurt themselves.
Sometimes show people hurt themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want that book to go in your eye. Throw a ball up if you want to, but not a book. Hey, what did I say?
You could throw a blankie up. What is that?
Is this part of the show?
Did he break the book, Mommy?
You might have. Yes, you did, Malcolm.
You broke the book.
It's okay. We'll fix it.
No, we can put tape on it.
Yeah. Finish the show. And put the book away.
We can put stop.
Is that the show?
Yeah.
Yay! Good show!
I'm not done.
You, oh. Finish the show!
Where is the show? Should be starting now. So where should be
Whoa.
starting?
Okay, is that the show?
No.
Is it over?
Not
Alright,
over.
finish it up.
It's gonna be a long show.
It can't be a long show because we have to go take our shower.
And I need to.
And Jada needs a turn. So, finish it up with maybe a song.
Sing. I have a little baby dressed up in a
Is your
bag.
hand Did you hurt your head?
I think he said
I think
no.
he's okay. Hey, there's no spinning. What happened?
I put kids.
What's the matter?
I've dirt in my mouth.
Well, how'd you get dirt in your mouth?
I bumped my head and I was trying to get up. I rolled over on my tummy
Yeah.
and I just got dirt in my mouth. Can I see, Mommy? Can I see inside there? That's okay.
All right, kid.
Can I? No?
We have. When I count to 5, it needs to be over. 1. Huh?
4 is not going to be 5 because 5 is not a long time. Count to 20.
20.
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah.
And then put the blanket under me. Over my throat.
Go ahead. You do it one last thing. Is that your last thing?
No.
I said one last. Whoa.
Can you put me on a blanket? I can. Okay.
Just a little help from the studio audience. Okay.
No, wait. I'm not done.
It doesn't matter. Yay! Nice show. Take your bow, mister. Hey, there's no bow? All right, get him off the stage. Next. Let's get audience reaction. What'd you think of the show?
I think it was great.
That's nice to say.
How do you think?
I think it was great.